In this video, we're going to take $20 in wood materials, about an hour's worth of work, and turn it into this beautiful farmhouse countertop cabinet. Stick around to the end of the video and we'll head over to Etsy and see where sellers are making good monthly sales with items just like this. Our first cut is going to be 8 by 20 3/4. Now we're going to cut the two side pieces at 8 by 5 with the end grain on top. So I'm cross-cutting it so the front piece of the will have the nice edge of the wood. All right, here's what we got so far cut. Bottom piece, back piece, two side pieces. We'll cut the top part next, divider, and then we'll start on the little drawers. We're cutting this top piece at 23 by 8. Here's where we're at now. I've not nailed or glued anything, I'm just showing you other projects coming along. We will get this all sanded up, assembled, and then we will start on the drawers. All right, I'm gonna glue and brad nail this top on, and then after I have it on, I'm gonna put a decorative edge with the router. All right, so this is gonna line up flush in the front and in the back. All right, we'll put in the middle divider. Dividers in. We'll start the drawers. All right, Got the drawer pieces all cut. This is the bottom piece, back piece. 2 side pieces are gonna all hit flush, and then the front piece. We're gonna get sanded up and assembled. Got the pieces of our drawers sanded up. I'm going to glue and brad nail these together, except for the front piece. I'm gonna glue it and clamp it so we don't have to deal with those pesky brad nail holes. All right. Audible, I'm going to go ahead and drill the hole for the knob on the front before I glue this on. That would make sense. I'm also thinking I'm gonna go ahead and put the screws through because it'll be pretty tight when I do get these put on, so. All right, we'll set those aside, let those dry, and come back and slide them in and see what color we're gonna paint or stain this. All right, drawers are dried. We're gonna slide them in. See how snug they are. Oh, yeah. Don't you just love it when things work out and come together the way they're supposed to? All right. So I think we're gonna paint this one white because that's what my wife wanted. So that's gonna take me a little bit and we'll see how it looks. Per request, I finished the cabinet in a white chalk paint, and only other thing I did was put some rubber feet on the bottom. I've seen some others do some decorative like wooden peg feet. I couldn't find those at Lowe's, so I used these rubber feet I already had on hand, and we're all done with this project. Let's see what some other people are selling these for. Design 1, 58 sales and a little over a year and a half. 65 sales and just over a year. The larger design for $192, 73 sales in a year and a half.
Hey, thanks for watching my husband's woodworking channel at Mid Wood Design. If you got any value out of this video or you just really like it, just like and subscribe below, and that way I can keep getting my mani-pedis.